If there is sky above, sand below, and peace within, it's Goa. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the words beaches, nightlife party, hospitality, carnival, water sports, and lot of fun? Yes, the only name comes in mind is Goa. Goa is one of India's smallest states, which is bounded by the states of Maharashtra on the north and Karnataka on the east and south, and by the Arabian Sea on the west. Goa is visited by large numbers of international and domestic tourists each year for its white sand beaches, nightlife, places of worship, and World Heritage listed architecture. It has rich flora and fauna, owing to its location on the Western Ghats Range, a biodiversity hotspot. The largest city of Goa is Vasco da Gama, while Panji is the capital. Madgaon is known as the historic city of Goa that reflects the Portuguese culture. Goan lifestyle is best experienced during the winter months, between October and the end of February. Goan culture is a blend of Indian and Iberian, European style center squares and Indian bazaars, white Portuguese churches alongside Hindu temples and villages and hamlets surrounded by green fields of paddy. So let's have a look at 5 top most visited beaches in North Goa. Baga Beach. Baga Beach is one of the most popular beaches in North Goa, with some of the best eateries and shacks, which provides mouth-watering Goan fish curry and other cuisines. Baga is most crowded place for nightlife party lovers. If you are looking for a full night party at beachside, you will be welcomed by Baga. You will get delicious seafood at Baga. There are so many water rides available at this beach. If you are a party person and want to enjoy dance music with crowd, you should go to Baga. There are so many shops at streets and there are so many famous clubs that are available like Tito's and Mambo's. Streets are named based on these clubs like Tito's Lane, Mambo's Lane. You will get authentic seafood with drinks, with food tapping music in shacks. Vegator Beach. Vegator is very famous for its cleanness and natural beauty. This beach is having one of the best sunset scene. People love to enjoy a clean, quiet beach with good value restaurants and close to a flea market selling local products. This beach is situated opposite side of the river Chapora and absolute northern side of Goa. People who want to enjoy a silent, less crowded beach, they should definitely visit this beach. This beach is decorated with red cliff. The beach is stunning and you can see lot of greenery near around. This beach can be seen from the top of Chapora Fort. There are so many food stalls available near the beach. Vegator Beach is famous for cleanness and natural beauty. And the Chapora Fort. Arambol Beach. Arambol, in the far north of Goa, close to the Maharashtra border, with its endless strength of sand and rocks, is one of the charismatic beach in town. This beach nearby places are surrounded mostly by foreigner tourists. At the beach, you can enjoy free party whole day. Drum circles happen every day. People dance, meditates on the beaches. Mandram Beach, a famous beach for stunning view of sunset. It's one of the most famous beaches in Goa. Mandram Beach is known for its white sand and blazing sunsets. Lot of restaurants on beach are having shacks and volleyball court. People love to enjoy volleyball in white sand of Mandram. You can enjoy seafood with light music which will make you tap your feet. The Mandram is also famous for its romantic evenings. The things you can do in Mandram Beach, you can go for street shopping and enjoy tree house near the beach. Kalangut and Candolim Beach. Kalangut and Candolim Beach are famous as Queen of North Goa beaches, being the most crowded beach in the North Goa. It's in the center of North Goa, so for everyone who visit Goa, reach to this beach first. Most of stay are nearby of Kalangut and Candolim Beach. There's a huge market of street foods, seafoods, and good amount of hotels and resorts. Water sports at Kalangut is very famous. Most of British tourists stay near Kalangut. There is very friendly environment around the beach. You will be getting delicious Goan curry in the eye-catching beach shacks. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.